On your next family adventure, make sure you have the Thule Outland Awning with you. In this video, we're installing the Thule Outland Awning on the Subaru Outback all-wheel drive Sport XT. Ensure your crossbars are fitted to your Outback all-wheel drive Sport XT. Remove the black cap from the end of the mount, then slide the 2 bolts along the track and replace the cap. Repeat this on the other side. Secure the black bracket to the awning using the bolts provided. Next, mount the awning, lining up the holes with the bolts and tighten with the spanner supplied with the awning. Fit the lockable covers over the top of the bracket and lock them into place using the keys. Now it's time to open the awning. Unclip the awning buttons on both ends. Lift the front cover and pull out both support arms. Then unroll the awning completely, pulling it downwards. Lift the catch to release the legs down to the ground. Then adjust the legs to your desired height and lift the lever to lock them into place. Next, you'll need to click the support arms into place and tension the awning cover. You do that until it's firm on both sides by pulling the lever. It's really important to make sure you secure the awning leg to the ground. Grab a peg and put it through each leg of the awning and hammer it down carefully. Then you're ready to put your feet up, grab a refreshing drink and relax under the Thule Outland Awning. Don't forget, all genuine Subaru accessories come with a factory warranty. Please check subaru.com.au for warranty terms and details.